Now the next web attack that I'm going to be using is a command execution attack. It's a command injection. It's also known as command injection. This is part of the WASP Top 10, and it is pretty dangerous because you could execute your commands on the web server, which is Linux based a lot. So on the DBWA, you can see we have our command execution right here. So let's say I could ping an address. Let's say I want to go and ping my localhost. Ping localhost right there. Uh, Submit it, and it should show us the results of the ping. So that's right here. Now, what we could do is we could go and run it just to see to ensure that it's it's a Linux server and that it looks like a Linux server. You know, does the same exact thing. We have Kali Linux on our machine, so we could ping localhost here. I have it set for 3 times, and as you can see here, 3 packets. It's the same exact um, output. Now, with this, what we could do is if this page is vulnerable to a command execution, we could start executing commands. So, for example, let's say we want to find out who I am. In this machine, I'm Kelly. So let's use a double ampersand, which is the and, logical and. Um, and you want to find out who am I. I could run the who am I command, and it'll show you that I'm Kelly. So, and like, I'm Kelly, but then I could run that command and find out, and it'll run the ping, and then it'll tell you who am I on a bash shell, right? You could do the exact same thing with this. So let's go and ping localhost, and instead of the ampersand, I have the semicolon here, but I could put the ampersand, and since it's a bash shell, it should have the same exact output. So here it tells you that your www data, so it tells you who you are. Now the reason this is dangerous is because you could have an attacker attack your website and execute commands on your web server, which are not good. Obviously, here we just executed who am I, which who am I isn't the best thing. Uh, I mean, it's not the most dangerous thing to do, but it does show you that the possible dangers of this command and this attack.